In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Kling O1 on Higgsfield. Now, this is the recent new update from Kling, and it's available over here. We're going to review it and basically see how to use it. I'm going to record here a tutorial for you to see how to actually use it and what it does, the Kling O1. So, in case you wanted to check out Higgsfield, they are currently offering unlimited Kling O1 generations for everyone who subscribes to the Ultimate Plus plans by December 7th. Okay, so in case you are interested to use the platform I'm going to showcase this on, you can use it, of course, link down below. So here I'm going to go to the video tab, and then in here we have a few new things over here. There's new updates pretty much every single month at this point. And here we have the Kling 2.6 and then the Kling O0 edit, okay? And this is for the advanced video editing, and I'm going to show you what I mean. I've prepared some examples over here via which you'll be able to see how to use this, the use cases, and what it actually can do, its powers, etc. So let's open this up and see what this is all about. So if I go over here, I'm gonna go to the very bottom of my generations. You can see kind of the sneak peek on my desktop over here, but never mind that. We're gonna come to each and every single one of these. I'm gonna show you what I cooked up over here. And as you can see, on the left, you have two options. You first have the create video. This is the Kling 2.6, which allows you to basically generate different videos. You could either upload an image or generate it, or you could simply go out of a prompt, okay? Now here, I just basically generated a few videos for you to be able to see how this works. And I did generate these. Some of them are my own ideas, and some of the more crazy ones have come from ChatGPT. I've just asked it to basically create a few random prompts for me to make videos on Kling 4. So yeah, bear with me, it's going to be quite funny. And here, as you can see, the model is set to Kling 2.6. You can also select your duration. You can do 5 or 10 seconds. And then the aspect ratio, so if you want it to be horizontal, vertical, or 1:1, which I do believe is a square. Now it's going to tell you how much of these credits it's going to cost you to actually generate, and you can also enable or disable audio because these new generations with Kling now do allow audio as well. However, you're paying double the credits if you are actually using it. So make sure you use this responsibly, of course, because it does cost credits. Up here, as you can see, under the prompt, you want to type in your prompt, and then you can leave the enhance on or off. So if you leave it on, it's going to enhance your prompt, but if you put it off, it's basically not going to do it. It's going to do literally what you said over here. In here, as I told you already, you could just upload images and go from there, or just go off a simple prompt. But what's the most important thing here is that you can also change it from a general template to something else. So if I go to the change tab up top right here, as you can see, you have a bunch of different things. Now, here's when I say a bunch, there's really a lot. Okay, so we have the new, you have viral effects, UGC, and new ones are coming. So via that, you can go ahead and basically create any of these, of course, with your custom prompts from your images, etc. So we have a lot of different ones over here. This one is kind of transforming. We have the giant grab, the aerial pullbacks, the flies, the northern lights. We have the cyborg, starship troopers. We have a lot of different ones here. Of course, you can go ahead, click on that. It's going to set it as the template, and then you can go ahead and, of course, explore this, create something, and see how it works. Now, I'm going to change it back to general, and don't forget to change it back whenever you actually are done with a specific template, because otherwise it's going to give you a kind of weird outcomes, okay? There we go, general. And yeah, whenever you're done with that, you can just generate some videos. So first of all, I'm going to show you what I generated, and then I'm going to show you what I actually edited and how to use this edit video from Kling. So I'm going to go to here, and I'm going to play the first video. As you can see, I just basically created an, as you can see here, it's basically chasing it. It's chasing backwards, but it's going forward. I'm not sure why that is. Of course, we know how AI videos are. I would probably have to rerun this if I were to use it. And here it says an imaginary comic book character running on water in the real world, where there's some people catching him with a jet ski in real life, okay? So yeah, that's how this looks like. And then I basically typed in to inside the editor. So what I did is basically got that video onto my computer. I downloaded it, exported it. I went to edit video. I just basically popped in that specific video, and I just typed in the prompt, and I typed in, which you can see here, swap the jet ski for a crocodile so that the person is now riding a super fast crocodile. And of course, you can then type that in, put in images. You can do the auto settings if you want to, and make sure you select the Kling O1 video edit as your model. And then again, you can just click on generate here, and it's going to swap things and edit your videos. Now here, as you can see, it's going to do exactly as I requested.
You won't catch me so easily! Hold on! We're gaining on you!
Yeah, as you were able to see, it basically actually generated a crocodile, and it did exactly as I said. It did a very, very good job. Now, of course, if you have better videos to start off with, you will have better results as well. So, yeah, just make sure you know that. I have some more examples up here. So, for example, I have a paper plane flying around the whiteboard and presenting something in a class full of toilet paper rolls. So, let's just show this.
Demonstrate the aerodynamics of flight. Watch how careful folds make all the difference. Today, I will demonstrate.
Okay, so yeah, it cooked up this as well. And then also we have a banana tripping over itself here as well.
Oh no! Thumbs up!
Okay, and then we also have some confident cat who runs towards the lens over here and bumps into an invisible barrier. We also have a goldfish
sounds as if excited
who basically builds a bubble foam rocket, which is quite funny.
Noises.
And then,
Bubble.
yeah, as you can see, it's quite interesting as well. Then we also have a penguin.
Hello, everyone. I am ready to speak. Honk!
And yeah, these are all very, very simple prompts, as you can see for yourself. However, the results are very, very good. Now, if you're prompt engineering this and actually doing longer prompts, more detail, you're gonna get much, much better results than me, okay? I just cooked up this quickly just to showcase you how this actually works, because this is a new feature. Up here, we also have some toasters. So I also edited some of these. I'm gonna show you the edits. So here we have this toaster.
Boom! That's some power. Who needs biceps when you have heating coils?
Okay, so yeah, that was basically the basic one, and then I told it I want this toast to be completely burnt. And as you can see up top here, it created the completely burnt
Boom!
toast.
That's some power.
Okay, so yeah, it did an amazing job when it comes to editing. Then let's actually come down here again. We also have a bunch of different ones. We have ghosts walking through walls over here. We also have a turtle, which is zooming fast towards the camera. And then just pulling up some glasses over here, stuff like that. So we have a bunch of different things I generated over here. And then I also did some edits, okay? So here, for example, we have this lava bulb.
A little more. I did it!
Yeah, okay, lifting some barbells here. And I also made an edit on that. So let me actually find this. So it is a lava bulb. Okay, so I wanted it to actually have shredded abs. And, well, you'll see for yourself. It does exactly what I requested over here. It's a bit funny, but still, it did the trick. And then here I have a dancing robot. So, yeah.
Oops! Still got the moves!
Yeah, its head falls off, stuff like that. And then I told it I wanted to actually wear a long red dress.
Oops! Still got the moves!
Did exactly what I requested, essentially. And then we had this frog, and I requested I wanted the audience in the back. So yeah, there's a bunch of different things you can do with this. You can play around with it on Higgsfield, and yeah. So that's pretty much what I wanted to showcase over here. I hope you found value in this video. I hope it helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.